Hi Lobos, today we are going to enter your courses into Student View. So this video will show you everything you need to know about that. Hopefully you brought your course selection sheets with you filled out and ready to go today because we'll be using those to enter your classes. Once you are logged into Student View, you will go and click Course Requests. And then you can see the home page for course requests. We have some reminders here. One of them is please do not sign up for more than 80 credits. We also ask that you do sign up for the full 80. Even though if you're an upperclassman, you might want an off period or something like that. We ask that you sign up for the 80 because we can build your schedule using those classes you pre-register for. If something doesn't fit in your schedule, we can take from those other classes that you prefer. Otherwise, you do have to come to AddDrop and wait and see what is available. We also have resources listed. This video is the first one listed in case you do need to come back and reference it. We have the course selection sheets here as well. So if you did forget your course selection sheet, you can click on the appropriate one for your grade level and use that as a guide today. The registration website is also here in case you need to look at any resources on that. If you scroll down, you can see your graduation status summary. Hopefully you use this when selecting your classes. But you can see how many credits are required in which area, how many you've completed, how many you have in progress right now this year, and then how many you have remaining for the future years. So when you're ready to enter your classes, you can click here to change your course requests. We have a few more reminders. When you are selecting classes, you do need to select both Semester 1 and Semester 2. That doesn't tell you which semester you're taking it. Think of it really as like Part 1 and Part 2. So if you're in a current English class, you're in it for 2 quarters, that's what that means. We also recommend, again, searching by course ID number. That's the easiest way to do that. You can find those course ID numbers on your course selection sheet right next to the title of the course. They're to the left of the title. Every once in a while, you might get a message that the prereq has not been met. This might be an error if you think you've met it. Sometimes that message pops up if you are in a class, let's say 4th quarter this year, or every once in a while, like I said, it is an error. So if you do think you've met the prereq, go ahead and leave it in there. It'll still let you register for the class, and you can always check in with your counselor later regarding that. Okay, so when you come down here, you will see that counselor is preloaded. You may have another class or two preloaded in there. If you do, please leave that in there. A counselor or a teacher preloaded that for you as a recommendation. If you have any questions about it, you can see the counselor, but please do leave that in there. When you're ready to enter your courses, you'll see a bunch listed. That's just all the classes, but let's go ahead and search. So if you enter a course number in this box, I'm going to enter the course number 5530, which is short fiction. You hit enter and you can see just short fiction pops up. We have S1 for 5 credits and S2 for 5 credits for the full semester class. So we need to click add request for both of those. And you can see it pop up here in your selected courses. So again, just because it pops up down here doesn't mean you added it. You have to add it and then you'll see it come up here. And you can see we have a total of 10 credits entered so far. Next, we're going to add anatomy. Enter. Again, semester 1, semester 2. Add both of those. They pop up here, and we have 20 credits. We'll show you a quarter-long class, how that looks. Game design. There isn't an S1, S2. It's 5 credits. We're going to click add request. Pops up here, 25 credits. If you made a mistake and you didn't want to enter that class, you can click remove and it'll take it off for you. Okay? So you can go back when you think you're done. Click here to return to course request summary. And again, your selected courses will be here along with hopefully that 80 total credits. Do not lock it in. There is a spot that says you can lock it. You do not have to do that piece of it. If you are interested in taking Futures Lab courses, you can come back up and click on the registration website. That'll take you to this page. and then registering for 10th through 12th grade. If you scroll down under the resources part, there is Futures Lab registration information. So if you click there, there's two parts for Futures Lab. One is if you look at this sheet and make it bigger, you can see that it lists the course ID numbers for whichever pathway program you were thinking about joining. So look at that course ID number, enter that in just like you did the other course numbers that we did. And then you also need to do this Pathways Interest form, so you can do that right on our website. So it's the best thing to take care of both of those pieces today if you're interested in Futures Lab. That's it, Rocky. Your counselors will look over your course requests with you in the next couple of days and make sure everything looks good. So you'll have an appointment to do that. Please check the glass windows by Student Services to see when that appointment is, and it will also be posted on the website. Any questions, feel free to see your counselor. Thanks, and have a great day.